Alright guys, finally I'm at Mr. Paul office. So this is iron and health equipment. This is where we're gonna get the beginning of the new beginning quad bike. So let me just see. This is Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul is the director. Can you say hi to him?
How are you? What?
That's Mr. Paul. That's the managing director of this company. So just in case if you guys are interested in buying quad bikes, feel free to walk down here in Gloucestershire. This is nice. This is the beginning of the new beginning. This is where I am right now. This is their workshop. So unauthorized person is not allowed. So this is their company, Iron Health. This is where we're getting the quad bike from. So the quad bike is meant to be delivered in January. So this is their office. Nice to be here. Find yourself in Gloucester, feel free to come here. This is the office. They sell mechanical, the agricultural machineries. That's what we do here. Yes. This is a beautiful place to be here. Alright, finally, here it's arrived, the beginning of the new beginning.